Next, question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. This is very important question. First, let's draw triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle ABC. This is equilateral triangle ABC. Here given D is a point on side BC. Suppose D is a point on BC. Join AD. Okay. Here we need to prove 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Here given ABC is a right angle triangle. So all sides are equal. AB equal to BC, which is equal to AD. All sides are equal in equilateral triangle, and given BD equal to 1/3 of BC. Here we need to prove 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Okay. Here construct draw one line on BC. Okay. Draw one perpendicular line on BC. This point is E. Okay. Here AC is a perpendicular on BC. Construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. Okay. See proof. Here we need equation. Nine AD square equal to 7AB square. Okay. This equation in terms of AD and AB. AD and AB. See, ADE is one right angle triangle and AB is one right angle triangle. Okay. From triangle ADE, angle AED equal to 90 degrees. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AD square equal to AE square plus DE square. Using Pythagoras theorem. This is equation number 1. Next, from triangle ABE angle AEB equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to BE square plus AE square. See this equation. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Okay. AD 9AD square minus 7AB square equal to 0. AB square comes to this side minus. So subtracting these two equations, 1 minus 2 AD square minus AB square equal to AE square plus DE square minus AB square equal to AE square plus BE square. AE square plus DE square minus AE square minus BE square. Here minus AE square plus AE square get cancelled. Remaining terms are DE square minus BE square. But we need equation in terms of AD and AB. AD square and AB square. Okay. See this figure. Here, consider triangle AEB. Consider triangle ABE and triangle ACE. Okay. Consider these two triangles. These two triangles are right angle triangles. Angle AEB equal to angle ACE, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. And AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC and AE equal to AE. AE is the common side. AE equal to AE. Okay. Here using these are the hypotenuse. AB, AC are hypotenuse and AE is the side. This is right angle. Okay. Here using RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Okay. AB equal to AC and angle AEB equal to angle AEC and AE equal to AE. Okay. So, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACE. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACE. Okay, here using right angle, hypotenuse, side congruency. Okay. So, BE equal to EC. These two triangles are congruent. Their corresponding sides are equal. AB equal to AC, AE equal to AE and BE equal to EC. BE equal to EC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. Here BE equal to EC. Here we get the equation AD square minus AB square equal to DE square minus DE square, BE square. Okay. See this figure. BE equal to EC. BC. BC equal to BE plus EC. Okay. BE equal to BC equal to BE plus EC. BC equal to BE plus EC. Here we get BE. BE equal to EC. In place of EC we write BE. BC equal to 2BE. Here BE equal to BC by 2. In place of BE square we write BC by 2. BC by 2 whole square. Next DE square. DE square. See here DE equal to BE minus BD. Okay. DE equal to BE minus BD. Is it clear? Here DE equal to BE minus BD. See BC. Here we get BC equal to BC by 2 and BD. BD given in question. BD equal to 1/3 of BC. 1/3 of BC. Therefore, DE equal to, take LCM. LCM is 6. 3BC minus BC, which is equal to BC by 6. In place of DE square, we write BC by 6. BC by 6 whole square. Simplify this equation. BC square minus 36. BC square minus 4. Take LCM. LCM is 36. BC square minus 4. 9 times to get 36. Which is equal to BC square minus 9 BC square. Which is equal to 8 minus 8 BC square by 36. 8. Sorry. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. Minus 2 BC square by 9. By 9 comes to this side. Into 9. So equation becomes 9AD square minus 9AB square equal to minus 2BC square. So we need equation in terms of AD and AB. So here BC. In equilateral triangle all sides are equal. BC equal to AB. Minus 2AB square. Okay. 9AD square. 9AD square equal to 2 minus 2AB square plus 9AB square. It is equal to 7AB square. Finally, we get the equation AD square. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Hence proved.